Okay, I want to say one thing. 呢就是呢，我冇講我一個人，我同我係個人，係真呢。都那樣呢。What am I supposed to do with the shrimp that you guys have? What am I supposed to do with it? But then, this is my man. This is my black boy. This is what he have. That's a prize, baby girl. This is a trophy. And this is what you guys have. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Huh? What is this? What am I supposed to do with that? Nothing. Nothing. There's no competition. Look. Look one more time. This is Young Moon Boys. This one's Black Boyfriend. What is a competition? Like, 2 different level, right? Exactly. So, Achinyati Wandalao. Lock all you the king. Okay? And the thing is that, take some pill, enlarge that penis down there. Cause you know why? You guys only last 2 minutes in bed. 2 minutes. That ain't no fun. In this generation now, not saying all of us, but most of us, we like this. We love this. That's something you guys cannot have. So think carefully. Okay? Think carefully. Bye.
Hey, for my to your trainer there. She talking about our 3-inch. Making fun of us 3-inch. I can tell you what you can do with our 3-inch, bitch. You can stick it up your nose. You can stick it up your eyeball or your ear since you say it's too small, bitch. Chế có màn chế mà cho nhiều kịch lúc trông ấy cả nè ta ô lo lại nó mà trông có màn chế có một tỏ na sư màn chế của tôi chênh rồi đó. So at the end of the day, you'd rather have that 3-inch cock because they won't fuck your asshole. Because the kid you có trông ta là đó ta chế có chế. Ô không lo lại nó chế một trọc của chế của chênh lại lại xin á. And talking about taking a pill. Bitch, you've been taking a pill, that's why you look like a woman. What you need to do is take a pill so you can look like a man. Back to a man. How about that? Huh? And maybe take the 3-inch in your eyeball, bitch. Huh?